watching my how-to channel or my videos is more entertaining than it is probably helpful. Hey, what's up guys? Shelby here with YouTube again, and today finally got these things switched out and had a little bit of a project trying to get everything. You know how the center console on the Caymans, the older Porsches, it's gray, right? It just kind of looks dated, and I've got black interior. So I wanted to just paint it. I was gonna wrap it, but I'm really not good at wrapping anything with vinyl, especially at home. And so I did one and I took it all off, said screw that, I'm gonna paint them. So I painted them with basically like a gelatin stuff, so like a duplicolor peel off, just to see if I like it. And here's kind of what we finished out with, if you can see it. So it's black, which is cool. So now this trim is black. The back plates for this is all black. And then I replaced these buttons too. So, you know, it's not like a crazy good job. You can tell there's obviously orange peel in it a little bit, but you know, not too bad. I also did the top of the shift knob. That might be dumb, but it works pretty good. And I think it looks cool. So we'll see how she goes. I didn't do the upper trim pieces. I kind of like them in silver. It's fine. Doesn't bug me too much. And I'll turn on the camera light here, but yeah, it looks horrible with this direct light on it, but get the idea. Looks pretty good. They're a little further back. Kind of see how she looks. Yeah, I think it just updates the look of the car and the interior a little bit more. But now, on to the next thing that I'm doing. We're gonna do some taillights today. Update the whole look of the car tremendously. Got some on Amazon and they just came in today. So note on this, it's not very fun to do. It takes a little while and it's not too bad, but it's not my forte. I don't like working on circuit boards. I had to redo the switches like twice because I put them in wrong. So stuff like that, it's a learning experience for me. But the taillights are gonna be sweet because see, we've got these old school taillights, 2006, and we're gonna update them today. All right, pop the trunk. It's supposed to be super easy. And let's see here. Step one, twist this counterclockwise and pull this piece down, super easy. And then there's 3 8mm nuts in here. Let's see, one up there, one right there, and then one way in the back there. You can see it. So basically take those 3 out and then we'll replace the lights. All right, so here's the stock. Okay, press them. Here's the brake lights, just a little bit dated. And turn the left turn signal. Your other left. There we go. Let's check it out. All right, all you need are an 8mm and this one to get back in behind it. I think that works. Oh, I feel blind. Oh, back here. Is the new lights are going to be pretty rad, so. All right, and then I'm going to go ahead and just take out the connector piece, electrical connection right here. Easy, just 2 fingers, pop her out. And then, where's the last one? Way back there. Off the third one, should just pop on out here. Just like that. Pretty easy. All right, so got the old OEM headlight or taillights out, and just gonna clean up the little area where the light mounts, and then I'll show you the new lights. All right, so let's check out the new taillights. All right, so these are supposed to be like an LED looking newer style tail light. A little bit of tints on there, smoke, whatever you want to call it. This is the left one, and they're super easy. They're literally the 3 screws, just the same with the nuts and your hookup. So let's go ahead and put this one in. Here's what the new ones look like. Here's a look at just comparing the two. So definitely way different. All right, so put the left on first. Line up the holes, just the same. And then plug this in too, just to make sure we're all good. Spin them on, just finger tight. Make sure everything's mounted up. Good location. The gaps look about right. Last one, a little harder to get to. Damn it. All right, of course, it's never easy, right? Of course, we drop one. Gotta take it out to find it. All right, well, I can't find the third one, so we're just gonna run these on and line this thing up, and I'll order. Oh my gosh. I'll reorder a third one. Careful, there's a little bit of a pocket back here. Don't drop anything, like me. There we go, one down. All right, this side I'm gonna do correctly. Do the back one first. Make sure I don't drop it. Probably go into a microfiche and just find the exact nut so I get the right one on there. I don't have any in my spare bin, so. I'm pretty excited to see how these look. These should be way better. Car should look much newer, hopefully. Watching my how-to channel or my videos is more entertaining than it is probably helpful. So hopefully you guys enjoy. Okay, we're in. All right, got the lights in. Let's see how they look. Whoa, they look way better. Oh my gosh, that's sick. Yeah. So basically, you go from these 2006 to current generation. Yeah, those look good. Not too bad. I'm sold. What do you guys think? So all in all, usually relatively easy install. I just lost one of the nuts down into the car, so gonna order one just so I have it all correctly installed. And yeah, this thing looks sick. I'm stoked. I don't know, Amazon, $394, and yeah, I'll show you the part number on the box here. So that's the part number. That's the SKU. Look it up on Amazon. Works out pretty good. Literally plug and play.